Hi, my name is Kabir Jaiswal. Today in this series of Decode, I'll cover the Berubari Union Case of 1960. So let's begin the series. The Berubari Union Case 1960, a legal dispute between India and Pakistan. Background of the case is as follows. A landmark legal dispute between India and Pakistan arose from a territorial demarcation issue concerning the Berubari Union, a small area in West Bengal. After the partition of India in 1947, the Radcliffe Award delineated boundaries between India and Pakistan, but certain border demarcation remain ambiguous. Key facts of the issue. Fact number 1. Location dispute. Berubari, a region in West Bengal, was a focal point of contention between India and East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. Fact number 2. Treaty of 1958. In 1958, India and Pakistan signed the Nehru-Noon Agreement, proposing to exchange 226.13 acres of Berubari to Pakistan in return of 12.63 acres territory. Fact number 3. The legal challenge. The constitutionality of Nehru-Noon Agreement was challenged in the Supreme Court of India, questioning whether the exchange of territory required a constitutional amendment under Article 368. Issue number 1. Constitutional validity. Whether the Nehru-Noon Agreement necessitated a constitutional amendment, as altering the boundary was agreed to be beyond executive powers. Issue number 2. Executive versus legislative authority. The dispute involved the balance of powers between executive branch represented by the Union government and the legislative branch represented by the Parliament of India. The bench discussed Article 1, 2, 3 and 368 of the Indian Constitution. The court analyzed whether a constitutional amendment was needed to enforce Berubari Union Agreement. The discussion revolved around several pivotal questions. Point number 1. Requirement of a constitutional amendment. The court held that any alteration of the territory which involves ceding Indian land to a foreign state or acquiring foreign territory required a constitutional amendment under Article 368 of the Constitution of India. Point number 2. Invalidation of the agreement. As the Nehru-Noon Agreement sought to alter boundaries without a constitutional amendment, the court declared it unconstitutional. The Berubari Union case resulted in number 1. Constitutional clarity. That the judgment highlighted the necessity of constitutional amendment under Article 368 of the Constitution for territorial alterations involving cessions and acquisition of land. Point number 2. Preservation of territory. The dispute exchange of Berubari was halted due to ruling maintaining the original territorial integrity. The case exemplified the judiciary role in upholding constitutional principles, defining the limits of executive authority and ensuring sanctity of Indian territorial boundaries. The case not only outlined the constitutional procedure for altering territory but also emphasized the importance of legal frameworks in handling territorial disputes between nations, that is India and Pakistan. So this was all about the Berubari Union case of 1960, a dispute between India and Pakistan. For more such videos, you can just comment below and please stay tuned to LegalEdge Law School.